Works good. Let me know. Y'all should be able to hear me now. I'm so sorry, guys. Music. Is that music overbearing? All right. So. Whew, man, I need my breathing exercises more than ever. What is going on, guys? How is everybody doing tonight? Like I said, I'm so sorry that we started late. We literally have news in 15 minutes. So guys, like I said, we have news. How was my day? My day is going great. We are about to have some news drop. I have nothing pulled up. I have absolutely nothing pulled up right now. And we wanted to talk about the statement that's going to be coming out. Okay, so the cash rate is about to come out for the odd, and we were going to have Zach come on here. Zach, you want to go ahead? Okay, because the statement's dropping in 15 minutes. Okay, you don't want to be on the stream when it drops? Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. So, all right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and let Zach hand over right now. It's the same link it always is. Give me 1 second, guys. Like I said, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to catch up. Okay. Well, guys, here is Zach just to speak on. I think that music is over there. I'm just going to turn it off right now. So, like I said, we're going to have the cash rate come out, and here you go. Zach. What's up, what's up, what's up? What is going on, everybody? It's great to see you all here. And we do have cash rate coming out in 15 minutes. So this is a AUD release, and this is one that I've traded quite a few times now. It's interesting because with this fundamental, they're actually forecasting that they're going to cut the rate again. So the last time they did cut it was back in May. And, to be truthfully honest, I don't necessarily see there being any reason for them to cut it. But that's the shock statement from everything that I've been researching today. It's actually forecasted that they are thinking to, cut this. So what does that mean? First and foremost, I believe that it is important for you to understand what it actually means for them to cut it. So right here, basically the interest rate, if it is greater than what is forecasted, if it comes out at 1.75 again, that is going to be good for the Australian dollar. Now, fundamentally speaking, that would mean that the AUD would go up. So if we're looking at something like the AUD USD, that would mean it would go to the upside. Now, that's not necessarily what I'm feeling. I'm personally looking to take a buy on the Euro AUD. I'll be going over to my computer and, managing my positions just when the news actually drops. Don't consider this a signal. Don't consider this, that you should take the trade. But the cash rate from past experience, it does move, 50, 80, even 100 pips or more. So it does come out in about 10 minutes. I know that the stream was a little bit delayed tonight, but we thank you guys for being here. If you are in any AUD positions, just make sure you manage them accordingly. So for those of you, again, just joining us now, thank you. News drops in 10 minutes. And Robert, the day was pretty great over here. Hopefully it was the same for you. We got the music turned off now. We are good to go. I mean, let me know. Let me know if you guys have traded the cash rate before, if you guys have any speculative thoughts about what is going to happen with this news. You can anticipate that on Wednesday when we go live and when we do the stream, I'm going to have an in-depth lesson on trading fundamental news for you guys. Finish up a presentation, so you're going to be able to have access to that before NFP on Friday. What's up, Sean? What's up, Christian? What's up, Yessie? No, the news is not positive. It hasn't actually dropped yet. It's coming out in about 12 minutes now. So, what I'm personally looking for, my bias on the Euro AUD, I am going to be looking to take a buy position. However, it wouldn't surprise me at all to see price come down to the 1478 level, maybe even the 1477 before having that upside movement. And, with the upside bias on the Euro AUD, that's just my own thoughts. I know some people here at the house are looking to sell that. So it all just comes back to your bias, what your thought is, what you're willing to risk, and just making sure that this is part of your trading plan. Some people may say don't trade the news, and I personally love fundamentals. I find that they often bring my positions into more profit than, not. We traded the AUD trade balance earlier and it paid for dinner. So it's pretty awesome. What's up, Trey? What's up, Lemon? And no problem, Yessie. Hello, Mr. Angelos. Again, welcome everybody. News drops in about 10 minutes here on the AUD. So, I mean, if you're in a buy position, if you're in a sell position, if you are trading demo, if you're just looking to watch this live, ultimately it just comes back to making sure you're staying within your rule set. And, you don't even have to necessarily be in the trade before the actual release. And what's up, Tyson? What's up, Darwin? Yeah, see, and that's just it. It comes down to your own bias. So just make sure you guys are handling your positions accordingly. That's really the best advice that I could give you. Don't over leverage yourself. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. And whether you're trading it and you're entering before the actual release, or whether you're going to be looking to utilize something like a buy or sell limit, or even a buy or sell stop, anyway, as long as it matches your style, that is going to work perfectly. So we are going to, see what happens here in the event that the rate does not change. If this comes out at 1.75, that means that the AUD is going to be gaining strength. So you can expect anything where the AUD is the base pair, such as the AUD USD, in that scenario, it should be bullish, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to go up. And vice versa, if it is the quoted pair, then you can expect the sell scenario. So, just like I said, make sure you're trading within your rules. Make sure you're trading your plan. We got quite a few people on here now, so just make sure that you are aware of these fundamentals, especially when it comes to trading live, because it doesn't matter about your price action channels, it doesn't matter about the technical side of things. The fundamentals are very, very important, and it's just another thing to consider when it comes to having that balanced trading plan. So I am going to pass it back over to you, Mike. We got the news dropping in about 9 minutes now, so I'm just going to be in the back and be managing my positions, going to be checking in on the chat with you guys as well. And, perhaps after the news a little bit later on, I'll come back on here and we can talk about what happened. We can talk about the actual outcome. And, with that being said, passing the mic to Mike.
All right, guys. Go ahead and show some love to Zach for that. Darwin's in here. Oh my goodness, what is up? How are you doing, man? What is up, Trey? Let me go ahead. So I will go ahead and pull up Odd USD. And I haven't been following. Oh, what the hell is all this? Oh, that was awful. I don't like this color. I don't know what in the world. Oh, okay, I'm not signed in. That's why. Okay, let me sign in really fast. Like I said, guys, there we go. Okay, well, that didn't matter anyways. So, this is Euro odd. We're going to go ahead and duplicate this to odd USD. Once this thing pops up, I don't know why it's not. Is there a reason why this isn't popping up? I don't know. Okay. So odd USD, let's hop off Hike and Ashley. We got a bunch of stuff on this right now. Go ahead and remove all of that. Okay, so like everybody knows, we are about to have a drop, or the news is about to drop right now. Mike Mills, Darwin, the boy, you're crazy, Darwin. Love you to death, dog. All right, so we're gonna be hopping down. So what's everybody doing? Zach's a beast. Yeah, what's up, Josh? Everybody. So odd USD or odd euro, it would be euro odd, Johnny. Odd will gain strength, putting 10 lots. If okay, so just like so everybody knows on I think okay, so the odd cash rate it is supposed to be positive. We're going to be paying attention to that. I'm going to pull up my FX book on my phone just to see if I get a different bias because we talked about that already about how it's happening in 5 minutes. Of course, on my FX book it doesn't have anything. It has the interest rate decision, but the cash rate doesn't have any numbers, so that's fine. But yeah, we should be expecting some upwards movement for odd. So euro odd, for example, this should be going down. Odd USD should be going up per the news being right. So we're just gonna be here sitting around for it. It's about 6 minutes away. Man, I don't know what happened to these charts. Yeah, and it's awful. I don't get it. Oh, I'm judging his charts, baby. I tell you what. There we go. All right, so this looks a little bit better. I do not like all those different colors. So I think we're already starting to get a little bit of that response. If it makes a sudden move, guys, and especially if it's against odd, then I would be paying attention. Oh, this is so frustrating. Like I don't understand why that's not up there. I don't have my toolbar to get into Euro odd and be able to look at different times. There we go. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. We Gucci. Awesome. Now we're back. We're back. All right. Go down. We're going to switch to a 5 minute. Already starting to see a little bit of movement going on. Like you said, it already almost is looking like a pullback. It already is kind of pulling back. If the odd is going to get stronger, euro odd's going to fall. Odd USD is going to rise. And as you can see, it's already starting to pull back in certain directions, like against the odds. So that's a pretty strong indication. It's about 3 minutes away. Make sure, guys, we did not do our breathing exercises, so just make sure that you are staying up with yourself. Breathe. It is okay no matter what is happening. If odd is supposed to be coming out strong, it is already making a downside move, as you can see. It's pushing down hard. I guarantee euro odds. Yep, it's doing the exact same thing. They're pushing up. Now, granted, I'm on the 5 minute chart, but when you're trading news and stuff, you kind of want to be on these smaller time scales. Even though it's going to reflect even on the hour, you can see that it's already kind of starting to do something. But still, we're going to hop down to the 5 minutes. If it is going to be for the odd, okay, yeah, because it says it is. Forex Factory is still not going to have any updates on that. Aha, I have the ability to refresh this. Isn't that dope? Okay. So the RBA rate statement doesn't have anything on, and it's funny because my RBA rate statement on my FX book is the same numbers that's on the cash rate on Forex Factory. So 1.75 for the previous is the 1.5 previous for my RBA decision rate. So these numbers on my FX book are down here, which is odd. I don't know why it ended up happening in that way. But remember, do not take anybody's bias. Make sure that you are developing your own. Look at this pullback that is already starting to happen with these. They're at the top and the bottom of these zones right now. This is a, oh man, I think it's about, yeah, we're 3 minutes away. So guys, if you want to be able to cash in with this, maybe you want to set some pendings up and down, above it and below it, maybe at the most relative zones. For odd USD, I would have some maybe at about 0.76-ish. And if you wanted to get down here, 0.74-ish, just to let the market come to you. Not that you're trying to estimate where it's coming. That's about 50 pips down and about 60 pips up. Euro odd, do the same thing. Go to relative zones. I do this on the hour. You could probably do it on anything. So, all right, all right, all right, all right. Me and Zach were talking about this earlier, and they usually. Okay, so that's about 100. Oh wait. Okay, so that's about 70 pips up at the 1.48. It's not a buy or sell, Johnny. Johnny, it comes down to your analysis. I'm not giving a signal. We're going to watch the news together, and I'm only giving you, maybe if you wanted to get in on this, maybe I would have pendings placed on top and on bottom of it and watching what actually is going to be happening with the market. I'm not, saying buy or sell anything. I don't want to do that. I don't want you guys. So you're already starting to see you're already starting to see this come back from the little bit of movement. It just dropped, came up about 4 more pips. But no, yeah, no worries, Johnny. If it makes a sudden movement, it's 11:29, guys, so it's about to happen. Yeah, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. The stream's going to be behind on my voice, so we're already starting. There it is. So it was negative. Wait, that's negative movement for odd right now at the moment. And now we're already starting to see a positive. Okay, so it made moves against the odd. It's kind of balancing in the area. The spread. Well, I wonder, I don't even know what the spread is right now. The spreads on these are probably ridiculous. So, odd JPY, 3 pips, 9 pips. Why can't I find euro? Okay, yeah, the pips are just going, the spread's going insane right now. So, hold on, let me go to Forex Factory really fast. Okay, so it's a positive increase on odd. The number was a 1.50% increase in a good sense of it, but it's not making that move yet. It's kind of stagnant where it's at right now, which is kind of odd. I don't understand why that's happening. It should be like euro odd theoretically. Your account exploded. What does that mean? Robert, what does that mean, bud? It's still just kind of in an area right now. You're selling euro on? I mean, the news was positive. I mean, euro odd should start coming down. And odd USD, I'm talking about per the news. Per the news, that's what should be going on right now. I don't have an update on the RBA rate statement yet on anything. I don't have any data on that. I just have the RBA. Oh, okay. So, like I said, on Forex Factory, on the cash rate it says 1.50, but on my phone it says the RBA rate decision was 1.5. So we're still not getting. I don't think the other round of news has come out yet. Whichever one it is, because like I said, my numbers are flip flopped. Made $15. They're stop loss. Yeah, they're stop loss hunting for sure. Because in Australia, RBA cash rate decreased to 150 versus the 1.75. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got what you're saying, cousins. take time for price to adjust itself. It still has not moved from where it is. It's not seeming to want to move. I'm gonna go half screens on each. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. I don't know what is going on. Like, the news just came out, but they're not wanting to make moves. And this is only on 5 minute. I mean, this should be like, my stream has died. Still in chat though. That news is still stagnant right now. Odd USD should be coming up. Euro odd should be coming down, but it's not doing that right now. I don't know if it's trying to stop hunt. Everybody in the world, guys, always remember that everybody in the world right now is trading this exact same news statement. So literally everywhere in the world right now, people don't know what's going on. The buyers and the sellers are literally like pretty much dead even with each other right now. Okay, yeah, well, it is 62 pips up. This is 38 pips on odd USD. Well, from where price started from the news, it's 28 pips. It did come down and make a 60, like a 70 pip movement. Instantly got away from it. RBA says recent data confirms inflation remains quite low, expected to remain case for some time. EA hit my buy stop. Dope. I see why. Santiago. They don't want us to eat. Hit my stop loss, so we'll just watch for now. Yeah, we're just watching. Was that the news? I mean, what? We still have one more. As you can see, this, like, it should come out. Remember, guys, you have to see this. One of these red folders still are not out. I don't know which one it is, like I said. News wasn't as powerful as expected, SMH, right? Remember, on my FX book, Darwin, if you're still in here, you said that you had like some. So you, Darwin, you said you had a super secret place to check news. Is it still showing, Darwin? If you you know that the other one has come out, because I'm not seeing it on anything. That's my next move that I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this to come out right here. We can go down and look at July. Is it just supposed to come out? So did the cash rate not come out? So both did come out? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so if it was, well, it says that they were projecting 1.5 though. On That's positive for the. So, guys, right now it is the opposite of what everything that we were just talking about how it is still trying to, it's just pushing against the odd right now. That's what's going on. It's pushing against the odd. The euro is rising, the dollar is rising against the odd right now, and that's what we're seeing on the charts. Euro odd is having a much better response, a much more, signified response than odd USD is. Odd USD is just stagnant. What about AUD JPY? I'm curious. AUD JPY is doing like the exact same thing as US or odd USD. They're doing the exact, like, literally, I think, for candlestick by candlestick. The statement is in written form. There are no numbers involved. All right, I got you. They're trying to mess with us for sure. 10 lots Darwin bought. I have no idea what Darwin was I have no idea what Darwin's lots. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why it's so important to use pending orders just in case news doesn't come out as expected. Exactly. That's why I was saying you have pendings placed on top and on bottom of it. If you're new to news trading, stop trying to anticipate where it's going to go from specifically where it is to where you think that it might be going. And you have the ability to be able to place pending orders on top and on bottom of it and let the market come to you. Darwin is saying it's a fake out. I mean, that could be possible too. It was supposed to be a 1.75 interest rate that was supposed to come out, but now it's 1.5, so that theoretically was a 0.25 drop on their news statements. And that's what Zach had just confirmed with me. Darwin Lopez, odd will gain strength, putting 10 lots. I'm not sure. The close of the 15-minute candle would determine which way price moves. A lot of traders are waiting for the next 15-minute candle. I would definitely concur to that. It's 11:39. We're about to get our next 5-minute as well. So the next 5 minutes about to come out. So I'll stay on the 5-minute at least right now to see where these sticks close. You can see on Euro Odd it's trying to push down. Odd JPY is moving up. Just a little bit, not a lot. It was the forecast to drop. The forecast was correct. Oh my God. All of that changed. Do you see this? All of these numbers were not 1.75, and now they are. I swear to God, these numbers were, one of these was 1.5. So what? What? Okay. Yeah, so before I even move anything, I want y'all to see this. On Forex Factory, it says 1.75 across the board, and then on my FX book, I've got 1.5, 1.5, and then 1.75 for the previous. News is trippy, man. I am not getting this. You see this? Look at this. 1.5, 1.5, and then it says 1.75 across the board for the cash rate, and then what does that even mean? Hey, I don't. You always, and this is something that we talked about yesterday too, guys. That don't take what the news says, even on these websites. Previous is one. Yeah, I've got my previous is at 1.75, but literally on Forex Factory right now it's 1.75 across the board, and I've got 1.5 for the actual and what they were projecting on my FX book versus Forex Factory. So I'm severely confused. I don't really know what that means. I don't understand why. My Forex Factory says 1.5, 1.5 on my end. Yeah, Josh, so it's literally says the exact same thing, but I swear to God, my Forex Factory had said 1.5 right here. I wish I could have screenshotted that. At its meeting today, the board decided to lower the cash rate by 25 basis points to 1.5% effective August 3rd. Didn't refresh on my screen, so maybe they're covering their tails. I have no idea. I really don't. But like we said, we're going to give it 4 more minutes, and then we're going to continue to watch the odd. Normally, you guys know my rule. I'm following the yens right now, but, we had the odd. We had the cash rate coming out, so that was what we were dealing with. I have not been following odd USD or Euro odd for a while, so I have, really no idea what's in the back history. I don't even know why I'm looking on a 5-minute chart thinking I'm going to find something. Okay, so, I mean, yeah, it came down man, that order, yeah, this order that I had imposed right here on odd USD at that 0.74, that pending would have hit, and it hit on Euro Odd as well on top. It just went it went a little bit past the relevant zones. You refreshed and mine is still 1.5. So, cousin, on your Forex Factory it says 1.5 still, but mine, y'all can see this right here. Mine says 1.75, as if this didn't even happen. It was like right on point. What? What screenshot? How do you screenshot? Print. I don't know how to do that. You come learn me. Yeah. Oh, okay. So did that just where did that image save? Oh, okay. Hold on 1 second, guys. I just don't see where that image gets saved to. Yeah, because this is only I'm trying to copy and paste, but it's copying the link to the stream. I'll post it in there later. But guys, this is something that I want you guys to see when you're dealing with news, that it doesn't matter, no matter. Yeah, print screen on your keyboard, Josh. Yeah. I tried it, but it's going to be there. I'll take care of it later. I'll even take a picture of it on my phone, just to like never forget, because that's funny as hell. I swear on everything that was different. And then I just screenshotted what's on my FX book. So I'm going to put that up in the chat later. Oh, all right. We got switch to the 15-minute. We're about to get our next 15-minute stick. This is what we got. It's still literally like almost exactly where it was. There it is. That's the 15-minute close. What are we going to see? Up 86 pips so far. Steven, great job. Manual, yeah, definitely. I'm on last month. My God. That's why. Okay. I see. I see what I did. I see what I did. Good job, cousin. Yeah. No, I see you. I see it, cousin. I'll go back. Let me get back to it now. Retail. Where am I getting back to? Okay, so there it is. 1.5, 1.5175. So no, it was a negative drop. 15-minute is 15-minute is still the bias was on point. Yes. And it's still like literally where this had opened and where it had closed on the 15-minute is 10 pips up, 10 pips up. Odd USD's doing okay. We might, honestly, since this news came out negative against odd, we're probably, you might even continue to see a downside movement. The interest rate dropped. I have channel walls mapped out on my odd USD, and the candles wicks are perfectly respecting. So what would that dictate, Carlos? I don't know what you mean, like on a sell or a buy, because we're looking at two different charts. But in any case, don't. Okay, there we go. All right, so I can make them even. Mike, what date were you looking at? Because Forex Factory, yeah. NATO, I got it fixed. Says forecast being correct is good for the currency. Why? Why was that? Well, like on that, just. Oh, I fixed it. I fixed it. I fixed it. Yeah, I saw what was wrong. I saw what was wrong. That was my bad because I did go back in time and I didn't realize I did that. So everything I was saying was wrong. I just didn't realize I was doing it. I didn't realize that I had well, I don't know why I was doing it that way. Okay. I don't think it's respect, I don't think it's really in any type of zone right now. I don't think it's doing anything like that. So we can even go back down. Yeah, it's not. This is news. I mean, no type of draws are going to, help you in the fact of news. It did make those moves up against the odd, and I think that's where price is probably just going to start being for a bit now, until we have a continued move, one way or the other. We're going to have a continued move. Let me get in here a bit. Odd USD is doing okay. Euro odd is coming down a little bit. Right now it's going down and odd USD is coming up. The odd, the Aussie's getting a little bit better. How are y'all's trades doing right now? Don't forget it's NFP week. Price moves in preparation for releases. So we should buy. I would not buy anything right now. Let the news is already just played out. Buying and getting into a position right now would not be the best idea. In profit now, Johnny, that's dope. As per notebook on calendar, Force Factory saying forecast is being correct is good. Okay. In profit, Johnny, that's great. And yes, Robert, I was gonna just talk about that. I say buy odd USD. I'm okay. Yeah, Johnny's a profit. Usual effect or usual effect actual over the forecast equals good for currency, and that's when what he's talking about here on the cash rate would be this. Interest rate charged on overnight, blah, 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 actual over forecast. This is exactly what he's typing up right here. You always have the ability to look at that when you're clicking on the physical folder of things. And then you can see what the usual effect of these news releases are. Odd USD is still, they're just stagnant right now. It's making a little bit of moves up. Go down, yeah, like just fluxing in between 1 to 3 pips right now. It's 11:50, so we just had another 5-minute stick open, and yeah, that's where we're at right now with that. It's looking a little good for the odd right now, at least. As you can see, these literally worked opposite of each other. Okay, so we shouldn't get into any trades with odd, right? The other lines are good. Manuel, I wouldn't tell you. I don't want to tell you what to do with I don't. I'm sorry, I was reading a question. I don't want to tell you what to do. The whole idea is for you to develop your own bias on it. I'm not here to give you a signal and say buy it, buy it, buy it, or sell it. That's not what I want to do. 96 pips up now, Steven. If you're reaching your pip goal, I would get out. Like whatever your pip goal is, I don't. You might be counting your pips total on everything that you're doing, which is absolutely fine. But if you're not, if you are just like extremely up on pips right now, I would close it out. Oh, you're already out. Done. Steven, great job, bro. Great job. I'm watching Euro USD. I think it's gonna break out soon. Manuel, we're actually in Euro USD right now. My accountability partner's in Euro USD, and I would love to see this bastard fall down. We've been wanting that drop for like a year and a half, it seems like. It's been stagnant up here. Look at, I mean, just like it's really not been wanting to move. That drop has to. I don't know. We would love to see Euro USD come down too, but we're not on that right now. Get back to odd USD. Okay. It's funny. It came right back up on the hour. If you look at the hour, I guarantee this will probably be the same. No, not so much on Euro odd, but even on odd USD, it's having trouble breaking through this stuff on the hourly. If you're checking that out, it doesn't seem like it wants to break through this on the hourly. We could go to the 4 hour. kind of the same thing. Yeah, I mean, it's a little under that zone. I don't know. Forget the 45 minute. 15 minute, still going up. We got some good looks on that. Euro odds coming down. Got some good looks. Nice Johnny, up 114 pips. Make sure you close. Make sure if you reach that pip goal, you get out. Do not stay in. If you cannot go broke taking profits, guys. Don't go for that 120. If you're up 114, do not go to that 120 for no reason. Because I'm telling you, the market can move around just like that and then take 60 of those pips away in a second. We just had a UJ spike, and well, that was because somebody was talking. Right, Zach? Somebody was speaking in Japan that caused that. I caught like 18 pips a little while ago because we had a random UJ spike, and I wasn't watching my chart when that happened. This random. No. I'm sorry. It was that. It was all of this right here because I'm not supposed to be looking at that. It was this random candlestick. It just shot the hell up for whatever reason, and we rode that. I wrote it down on a cell. So random. Actually, it wasn't random at all. But if you're not prepared for it, it's gonna sneak you. 15 minutes. We're still not seeing price move any far away from where it's at. It's still just we did have those sudden moves up, but it came right back. The news wasn't as volatile as we were thinking of just a little bit more pips took profit, never be greedy. Absolutely. I'm very happy with that. Yes. That's awesome that you caught some pips. Who lost? Like there's no judgment in here. What bias did you have? Did you get stopped out? Did you get stop hunted? What happened? Zach got stopped, he got stop hunted. That is second. I mean, you can go down to the. Oh, no stop would have had 70 pips. This entire 5-minute candlestick was 52 pips. So if you had anything in on odd USD and you go to the 5-minute, you had you had about 100 pips, 100 pips on Euro odd in 10 minutes. So that took a little bit more time for it to actually expel. But still, okay, so the odds coming down a little bit. What time is it? Okay, it's 11:55. We just got our next 5-minute sticks. We're about to have, obviously, guys, the end of this hour. So and the end of a 4-hour candle. Good looks. Good looks, Zach. So this, guys, we're about to have the end of a 4-hour. We're about to have a start of another hour. And that's what I'd be looking. As you can see, price is starting to move. People are exiting positions. People are buying in. Everybody's probably looking at odd USD right now. I bet you there are hundreds of thousands of people looking at odd USD right now. Everybody's trying to figure out what the move is. Okay. Yeah, we're having a little bit of move against the odd at the current moment. We got 4 more minutes left of this time. Euro odd is looking like a sell. You think so? You think the odds are going to come back? You think it's going to continue? Euro and then AU would buy. Just like so, what Zach was just saying, because Zach's right behind me. I know you guys can't hear him, but he was just saying that all of his previous markups and his bias is still going to be dictated towards odd, going in the direction that we should be looking for. And as you can see, it's 11:57, and for the last couple of minutes we weren't seeing any moves, and now you're seeing these little kind of decent sized jumps. Euro odds rising at the moment, odd USD. Except for me, I'm looking at GBP AUD. All right then, Steven. I actually had a sell stop and went out with profit. Manuel, great job. Euro odd looks like the sell. Yep. Everything else for that matter. All right. Damn, they're pushing. It's pushing against the odd. We're about to have 2 more minutes. My God. Jordan, you were so confident in Euro USD. You will just not stop on entries on Euro USD. Euro USD needs to come the hell down. This is unbelievable. We have trades in for days on Euro USD and USD CAD. Huh. I don't know what the hell he's doing right now. Like I said, guys, you still got 2 more minutes left of this hour and the 4 hour. Everyone who traded with no fear, shout out. That's awesome. I wish I wasn't trading this because I was on, I'm on the stream right now. So I will shout out for you guys, Johnny, Steven, even the people who lost, and you still traded without fear. Please, Euro USD is a good buy. Robert thinks that USD, deadass, been waiting on that Euro USD for a minute. Haven't we all? I swear. It has been, well, I'm going to hop to Euro USD. We got 2 more minutes. We're going to start seeing some moves in just a second. But literally on the hour, we have consolidation for 26 pips for, let me put session breaks on. Yeah, for literally all of yesterday, we had a 22 pip, just bam, 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 and now we're at the top of that zone again. Could theoretically jump up 20 more pips and test the absolute high that it has made. But like I said, we're going to hop back to odd USD, get in on the 5 minutes. Actually, it's 11:59. Be prepared for these moves, guys. It's about, right now, it's pulling back against odd. 1 more minute and the end of a 4-hour candle too, so check your 4-hour zones. This is how you trade news, guys. You have to be jumping around, especially like at a time like this when all of the next candlesticks are about to come out. It's important to know that. It's important to understand when these sticks come out. Jump down to 5 minutes here on Euro odd, and there we go. Those sticks closed. That's where odd USD closed at 0.75, 1.48 for Euro odd. So are we going to see a movement in the direction for odd? What's up, Mike? What's up, Royal? Cousin, what were you saying? What's up, IML? What's good? Shout out to all of my fam up in here in IML. 1 more minute. Yes, it may just be Trader's Way, but my MT4 has a news feed and it's on point and fast and right on the market moves. That's dope, cousin. Oh, that's Modest. Modest, how's it going, bro? How you doing? We're getting a little bit of positive movement towards the odd. I'm surprised that we didn't see like sporadic movements in that last hour. To be honest with you guys, I'm honestly genuinely surprised. Our 4-hour, you don't even have to really worry about the 4-hour. I mean, it is kind of at a zone right now. It's in the middle of everything. Does anybody have any positions right now? Is anybody in on the odds anywhere? Even on GB or odd GBP? I don't even, or is it GBP odd or is it odd GBP? I think it's odd GBP. I don't remember. There's a market gap in here? The hell? Oh, this is, that's odd. Huh. No, there's no market gap on here. I don't get that. I think it's because it's supposed to be GBP odd. I'm about to be removing that emotional attachment. Chilling, bro, doing some move. Oh, okay, that's that. Odd USD is a good buy right now. So we're seeing if odd is going to have some positive moves after the negative increase on the odd, or the negative impact on the odd, and that was this candlestick right here. And now it's just kind of retracing and fluxing back into that area. You have a buy on odd USD at 0.753. 0.753. You have a buy stop, you mean? That's up here. Yeah, it's like, okay, so you're at the top. 0.73587. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're like right there. So you must have a buy stop. Zach, breathing is good. Mike, if I, Mike, yeah, I know. It's GBP AUD. Yeah, I thought so. I have a buy on odd USD. Christian, that has to be a buy stop. I'm pretty sure. I'm waiting on the midweek reversals. On what? On what, Modest? Man, that's just not moving right now, man. I think that was the move. I really think that this movement right here was the news. I think it's just kind of gone back to normal. I don't think that we're going to be waiting. I don't know what else in the world people would be waiting on. Not too sure. Because it's just the news is out. Forex Factory. We can go check something really fast. Yeah, I mean, that's it. There's no other big news coming out. Go ahead. Why are you so confident in all these Euro USDs? And yeah, we're just yeah, no, I can tell. Yeah, well, I'll take 22 pips. I want out. So, off quotes. Off quotes. I hate FXCM. All right, caught 22 pips on UJ. Take that. Didn't quite meet 30, but that was my trade, and I just, I'm not watching it right now. I don't. Um, maybe I should have looked. I should have probably taken a peek. Yeah, see, I could have cashed out down here when it was down here. Oh well, we got in like up. Well, we were 22. Yeah, we were up like at 22 pips. Yeah, I was this right here. Yeah. Yep. My entry was on UJ 102,658. Oh, okay, it was a little higher than. Damn. Oh yeah, I was up here then. Yeah. Yeah, right there. I got in on the sell right there. That's my stuff. I haven't, we're not going to talk about the yens tonight. I don't want to cuz we've already been on for an hour. Well, no we haven't because I was late. We had all these things going on. Odd Odd is having a little bit more positive movement forward. This is the start of the next 5 minute stick. It's moved about 7 pips. Do you have any idea for Odd? You think the news is over? USD CAD on the 4 hour last week mid reversal from Thursday to Thursday could have made 8,000 on a standard. All right, Modest, Mr. Standard. Did it? Took 50 pips on 4 lots with odd USD and I'm out. Standard investing, great job, bro. 50 pips. Love it. Love hearing that. What are you trading for NFP? Modest, make sure here, guys. Zach, can you drop it, please? Can you go to the chat? Oh, he's not there. Yeah, UJ, UC, Gold, and AU. So odd USD, Gold, USD CAD, and USD JPY. Now remember that was something that everybody keeps talking about. Is you have to realize, guys, that this is the week of the NFP, and they are setting price up to make the moves for NFP. Even though we are on Monday, this whole week is designed for NFP. So whatever charts you're looking at, I don't even care. Like, even if it's on NZD or whatever, the whole market responds to NFP. Yes, gold. Okay, lovely pairs. Yes, sir. And we do have a sign up link for anybody that would like to get an entry in for NFP. If anybody would like to, I don't have that link right now. I can get it dropped here in a second, but whenever and that guys, that's going to be happening on Friday at 7:30 my time is when when the news actually drops. But we will be going live at about 6:30, 6:45 ish, probably closer to 6:45, and we're going to be streaming. Zach's going to be talking about his analysis on all of the pairs, what he thinks what he thinks that the moves might be. Hey, could you drop the link in the chat? Okay, so the link's going to be dropped in the chat if anybody would like to sign up for NFP. Johnny, it'll be dropped. He's about to drop it in the chat right now. So when you get it, just open it up and then just move it to the side because there's no need to sign up at this very moment. You'll be good. Just make sure that you do get signed up. Oh, I thought it was only on Friday, so it affects the whole week. No, Manuel, I'm saying that price is setting up for NFP because the entire world knows that NFP is happening this week. So even it does, just based off market sentiment, that it has to be setting up for this entire thing that is going on. And the legend Zachary Hogan will come on closer and a little bit closer to the week as we see a little bit more play out. Like I said, this is only Monday. We'll probably have a much better idea on Wednesday, where price is already moved after so many hour sticks and so many 4-hour sticks and a couple of more day sticks, just to see the good, the move, just to see what's going to be happening. Seems that everyone was expecting a lot more impact from the news. Was interesting watching when the news first hit. Had the initial move, then froze, and I had no idea where to go. Exactly, Sean. And that remember, guys, this is completely human driven. Even there are robots that are doing it, but a lot of market sentiment will happen when news comes out because people are literally just boom, 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 boom. There's so many things happening at once. Mike, please send me the link, bro. Yeah, it's. Oh, you. Oh, okay, yeah, guys, no worries. It will be dropped. If not, I will post it. You know what? Just send it to me. Okay, there it is. I'm going to take this and we're gonna post it on the closed Facebook group right now. I'm gonna go ahead and post it in here. Okay, let me So I'll just go ahead and throw this out. Okay, so I literally just dropped it in the Trade House post, or I'm sorry, in the Trade House closed group. So if you are in here, make sure that you click on this link and get it signed up. You said you just sent me a friend request? Okay, here it is. Okay, I got you. All right. Yes, Ryan, just go ahead and sign up. Can I join your closed Facebook group? Yeah, here, Johnny, I can add you right now. There we go. I just added you. All right. So Zach got the. Can I join? Okay, got it. Yes. I think I said okay. Finally, did my first sell stop on Euro USD. Trying to sell stop it down. Okay, I'm gonna get off of Facebook. Okay. Euro USD. I was just looking at my trades or the trades on the account and made a little move, but it's still just it's so stagnant right now. It's so annoying. Euro USD. See, and this is what I'm talking about. When this happens, this right here, this is like if you've ever been to those water parks when you're a kid and they have those huge buckets of water that fill up slowly, and then when the weight of the water gets so much, the bucket just tips and it just completely pours out all over the entire structure of everything, right? That's what you can consider what this is. This is the water filling up in one particular spot over. You can see the most it is literally moved in 2.5 days is 27 pips up down up down up down. That is the water filling up. There has to be a move. You could see a very textbook head and shoulders, shoulder, head, then come down and create another shoulder. That's what everybody's been waiting on, guys. We could see another spike up to the upside just to stop everybody out because this has been happening for so much at some point that hell, it wouldn't surprise me at all to see them bring it up like that and bring it back down, or just a little bit enough to get a bunch of orders closed and then come down. That can always happen as well, but that's why I'm saying, guys, is that this is an indication. This only happens when there's a move that's about to be made. It does not stay stagnant forever. It has to make a move. It has to do one of these. Inevitably. Inevitably, it has to happen. So if you are watching Euro USD and you're taking positions, make sure that you're following up with your own bias. Mike, you too nice. We all had to sing the Trade House anthem before we join. And Ryan, I'm going to send you the song so you can see it. What? I can't find it. Can you add me? Uh, you have to send me a friend request, or you have to drop your email. One of the two. If you drop your email, you can do it. Finally, okay, yeah. Thanks. Okay, I can't. Okay, all right. I'm caught up on all the chats. So with all that happening, guys, was I know that we literally did not educate on anything. This was literally an entire news call. This was a fundamental episode that we had tonight. And by the way, that was actually something that we wanted to talk, or that I was going to bring up on the DFW Trade House Facebook. Hold on. Or I'm sorry, YouTube. This right here makes episode 78, right? I just wanted to let you guys know that we are now on episode 78. Oh, right? We are? So this would be episode 80, guys. I think that that's really cool. We have over 80 different videos, so much different content. You even see we have a call with Trade-In. Modest is right here. Emery. We've had Wealthy Chuck come on. We've had Steve and Jean come on. Darwin's even been here. Guys, we've had Rashid come on. We've had all different types of people come onto the stream. So if this day marks 80, and yes, it does, because I'm looking at it right now, that is incredible, guys. So if you've been here with us forever, I just wanted to say thank you so much for being with us this entire time. It has been one hell of an amazing journey, and we're not going to be stopping. We're going to hit 500. We're going to hit 500 episodes easy. I promise you. We are not going to stop. How are you on Facebook to add you? What do you mean, Manuel? I don't know what that means. You got a pending order on EU, Johnny? Where? Where's your pending order at on EU? Thank you. Hey, Modest, you were there too. Thank you, Modest. Thank you, Sean. But, guys, I just wanted to give a shout out that we are now putting episodes. We're going to be putting we're going to be putting numbers on all of the stream episodes now. So we're up to 80 now, guys. So if you've been here with it, that is, I'm very, very thankful for that, guys. So with that news being covered, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap things up, because I didn't have any things to talk about tonight except for this fundamental news release. DFW for the win. Oh, how do I find me on Facebook here? My name on Facebook is Mike Miles. Mike Miles. So, but I'm at the friend cap. So if you're just trying to join the the closed Facebook group, then just drop your email right now, and I can add you. So you're trying to sell at 1.48. Let me see. 1.48. Oh man, you are up there. Holy crap. 1.48 is some pips, boy. 1.48, that's like 400. No, it's 300. 300 pips up. You think it's going to make that move? I'm not saying that your bias is wrong or anything at all. All right, cool, yeah. If y'all are dropping y'all's emails, that's how I can easily get you guys added to the closed Facebook group. It has to be your email with Facebook, though. So if this is not your email with Facebook, it's not going to work. All right, so I see y'all all are dropping your emails right now, guys. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, go ahead and drop your email, but I just want everybody to go ahead and just close your eyes and let's do some breathing. All right, guys, with your eyes still closed and while you're taking some big deep breaths, I still wanted to apologize for us being late on the stream tonight. We're going to get all of that stuff figured out tonight, so tomorrow we will be on stream on time. But I sincerely want to thank everybody that was here tonight and who has been here and who will continue to be here as we get closer to even the first milestone of 100 episodes of the DFW Trade House. I believe that that is truly, truly incredible to have that much value out there, and I cannot thank you guys enough for being a part of that. I can't do this without you guys. I don't care how many people show up. That has never been a thing that has bothered me. But I sincerely want to thank every single person who can hear my voice right now that has been a part of the Trade House community, that will continue to be a part of the Trade House community, and see how much more we are able to grow an online presence and an online family with everybody as we continue to push different ideas and different types of context of value for not just trading, but spirituality, truth seeking, consciousness, mentality, finances, whatever the case may be, guys. Thank you so much for being a part of it. So go ahead and open your eyes, guys. Thank you so much for being here. And as you know, if you wouldn't mind just screenshotting it and posting me or tagging me and tagging the DFW Trade House specifically, tag Zach and just post it out, give us a shout out. But if you don't tag us, I can't see it. So I'll just make sure that you get those tags on, guys. Like I said, I want to apologize one more time for being late today, guys. It really bothers me when I'm late onto the stream. So with that being said, guys, you know that we will be here tomorrow at 11 p.m. Central, the same time. And just remember, guys, if you do not have the sign up for the NFP link, it is on the closed Facebook group. And if you don't make it onto the closed Facebook group, I promise that the link just can come back tomorrow. The link is already in the chat as well. Zach just dropped it again. So the opportunity is going to be there, guys. So no matter what, you should be able to get in. I have the hiccups. The hiccups still came. So Sean, Josh, Yessie, Modest, Angelo, Ryan, everybody. My IML family, my GDN family, my everybody. Trade In, Wealth Club, Pop Club, if y'all are here tonight, and of course all of my Trade House familia. Thank you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys on here tomorrow. So with that being said, I'm not going to continue to repeat myself. So I love you guys, and y'all have a great night. Oh, it's so much condensation right here.